Hi everybody, Paul here again. Recently, for the very first time, my wife made her own oven cleaner which requires no scrubbing. Always remember that scrubbing an oven can damage the surface. Also unknown to most people is using the self-cleaning mode can shorten the life of an oven. So here's what she did. First, measure out a half a cup of baking soda and then add 2 to 3 tablespoons of water to the baking soda. Next, thoroughly mix it until it becomes a thick paste. One huge benefit of using baking soda is there are no toxic irritating fumes like most other oven cleaners. For best results, pre-warm the oven to 150 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 minutes, turn off the oven, and apply the baking soda paste to any greasy, dirty areas. However, do not apply it to the door gasket, the door glass, or any sensors. Next, wait 8 hours and wipe it off with a damp cloth. I promise you the results will be nothing short of amazing.
I hope you found this helpful, and if you like this video, please hit the like button below, share it with your friends, and please be sure to subscribe. God bless you and have a great day. Bye for now. Okay, Sparky, wave.